GPT-3 has generated us a list of random unique names. We're going to run the script and see if it is in fact consisting of all unique names. Let's start with 10 random unique names. Okay, copy. Let's run our script and see. Okay, no duplicate names exist. This would be a list of duplicate names, which is empty, and there are 10 names total. Let's ask for 20 names now. We'll just keep on doubling it. And I've fixed the formatting. There we go. Let's see how it did this time. Oh, it says no duplicate names exist. Yep, and 20 of them. Good. Let's just continue where we left off. Now we're asking for 40. Let's check it to see. No duplicate names exist, but now there are 44 names. GPT-3 is starting to lose count. To fix this issue, I'm going to say 45. How many do we have in the list? 44, yeah. So I'm going to try to attempt it to try to keep count. I have added to the prompt saying keep count to the names within the list starting from 45. And I have added 45 and started a quotation for it. Let's see how it does. It needed a little help here. Get it going again. Oh, it was stopping because I'm still asking for 40 names. Let's make it 80. Okay, very good. It's keeping count. So it should stop at 80. Very well. Now we have 80 names. What do you think? You think GPT-3 was able to pick 80 unique names? Let's see. No duplicate names exist. There is 115 elements in the list. That is because we are also having the numbers as elements as well. All right, now we're asking for 160 random unique names. Continuing from 80. It's about to be done. Okay, it stopped at 160. And this is pretty hardcore. Let's see how it does. Let's run it. Duplicate names exist. Only one, Hudson. This is still very impressive. Let's give it another go. I've added this. It is absolutely most important that this list does not contain any duplicates. Let's start from 80 again, generating a total of 160. Okay, let's cross our fingers. Hopefully this time it shall do it. Okay, let's see how it did this time. Oh, now it has more duplicate names. These are also, there are 2 of each, so there was a total of 4 duplicate names. I think this is still pretty impressive that it can generate 160 names and only 1 to 4 of them are actually replicated. I just wanted to make a quick little video about this. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.